What's up everyone, it's Lobster here, and today I want to show you a Claude Code skill that will instantly improve your technical SEO of your website. So here is the workflow. Okay, this is just a visual representation so you can see it and you can understand it. And then I'm gonna share the skill with you. Okay, I have it right here, and you can comment skill and I will share this with you so you can install in your Claude very easily. All right, I'm gonna give you this file, and then you're just gonna come here on your Claude to customize skills, add a new skill, and you will upload the skill that I will share with you. So if you want it, let me know in the comments and I will share it with you. And then after that, I will show you live on how to do this. We have here an example website of a plumber. It's a local business in the US, and I'm gonna apply this skill. I'm gonna do a technical SEO audit, and then as a bonus, I will even show you a tool that I use to automatically fix the technical SEO without having to be manually editing the website. Okay, so let's start by the skill. All right, what we're gonna do and how this works is you're gonna give Claude your website. Okay, Claude Code will start running some scripts, all right, that you don't really need to know because I don't know either, but it will start doing some extractions from the website and it will analyze these 8 categories, okay? And the first one is crawlability, indexability, security, URL structure, mobile, core web vitals, structured data, and JS rendering, all right? Then it will apply a score to these 8 categories from 0 to 100. And lastly, it will return you as an output a report with priorities from most important to least important. Now, going to the skill, all right, I already taught you how you can install it. It's super easy to install skills in Claude Code, and they will be your best friends when you're working with repetitive tasks and workflows. Okay, you don't have to be every time uploading the prompt or copy pasting prompt and saving prompts in Google Docs. Okay, that's a mess. That's work from 2025 and 2024. Nowadays we have Claude skills and you need to start using them ASAP. Okay, because I just save this skill and then every time I want to run it, I just need to type in slash name of the skill and Claude will know exactly what to do. So yeah, this is the workflow right here. Okay, you will, this is just the written version of what I just showed you before. Here are all the scripts and all the scoring rules. Okay, and we're gonna start applying it to this website right now. Okay, there's also another way. There is a free Google Chrome extension that I'm starting to use and that I like a lot, okay, because it's very intuitive and gives me all the data that I want, which is this one, okay. It's called the Arvow AI SEO Inspector. Okay, let me open it in the Chrome Web Store so you can know and you can install it. Okay, it's free to install, by the way, so you don't have to pay for to have this extension. Okay, and all the data that you will see there, it's free. Okay, they pretty much can also fix your SEO and AI SEO. And in the end, as a bonus, I will show you how you can do this using the Arvow tool itself. Okay, so let's just go here to our Claude chat. I already started. Pretty much the only thing you need to do is to, as I said, click slash and then SEO technical. Okay, here's our skill, it's saved. And then we just need to give it the website, which is what I did. I gave it this fastplumbing.com website and it started doing all the heavy work. Okay, and it returned me this HTML, okay, this visual dashboard with a report and how's overall like our technical SEO, which is poor in this case. Okay, so here you have all the 8 categories and then it gives you the critical issues that you need to fix immediately. All right, and then it has the other priority lists. Okay, now this is what you could, for example, show to a client if you're trying to sell him SEO services. Like you could run this skill and you could say, hey, I did an SEO audit, or you can sell you can give him a free SEO audit, and you could be like, hey, business owner, I did a technical SEO audit to your website, and overall the health of your SEO is quite poor. Here are the things you need to fix ASAP. Like most likely, the client will not know how to fix this thing. Okay, this sounds complex, this sounds too technical, and everything. And what you could do is be like, hey, I can sell you this solution and fix all of this for $199 or something like that. Okay, and how can you fix these things to fix the SEO of this website? Okay, so the first one would be going manually, carefully, one after one, and correcting it and fixing it on your WordPress or whatever platform you're using. But the bonus that I want to share with you is a feature inside this tool called Arvow, which is called the Site Optimizer. So the Site Optimizer is built in a similar way that this skill is built, and it will also analyze and audit all the technical SEO of your website. But the bonus part is that it will not only audit and analyze and give you and identify the wrong things, you will also fix them automatically. So let's do this for this website right here, okay? You just need to copy the URL, all right? You're gonna come here to Site Optimizer. I'm gonna create a new Site Optimizer. I'm gonna call it Fast Plumbing. And now I just need to give it the website URL, okay? The language will be English. We're only gonna crawl 100 pages because I think the site has less than that. So we click here on Create, and now Arvow will start analyzing all the pages and looking for issues in these categories right here. So page titles, meta descriptions, canonical URLs, image, alt text, internal links, FAQ schema, and article schema. Okay, we can see that it already analyzed 5 pages. Okay, and you can see here some examples. For example, in the, let me just check, look for a nice one. For example, here, the cart page, you can see that the page title is only Cart Fast Plumbing, and Arvow is suggesting us to put your cart Fast Plumbing services in Austin, Texas, okay? And it also gives you an explanation on why this is important to fix, okay? And you have for all these categories, not only the current one, the current field, but you also have the suggestive, and you have a reasoning why, okay? For example, here in the meta descriptions, you can see that these are kind of short. Where was it? Some are kind of short, all right? And you will make them more complete. You will even include the phone number and a call to action to improve the technical SEO, okay? And I'm sure that if we crawl more pages, for example, these ones, they are not even meta descriptions creative, okay? And Arvow, and now you might be wondering, oh, but do I need to manually go on my WordPress and update all these meta descriptions? No, the answer is no, you won't need it because Arvow also automatically applies them. And how does it work? Well, basically, you have this script right here, which is super easy to install, whether it's a WordPress site, a Shopify store, a Wix website. All of them have an option to add scripts to the head of the website. So you're just gonna simply copy this, you're gonna apply it in the website, you're gonna insert it in your website, okay? And they have some guides for this that teach you how to install it in all of the CMSs, but it's really, really super easy. And then you just click here and you can apply all these optimizations at once, okay? You can also do them individually. For example, if you want only this one, you can do it. Or if you want all of them, except this one, you can also apply them right here. But overall, all of the suggestions that they give are good quality, okay? Especially you look at here, the alt text. There's not even alt text for a lot of the images, and it's super important. So yeah, you just click here to apply remaining optimizations, and then you will start tracking how many traffic do you get to your website, how many visits you're having since you applied the following optimizations. So this is the quick tip that I wanted to share today with you. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for Arvow in case you wanna try it. Once again, if you want to have access to this Claude skill, just comment skill in the comments and I will share a link with you so you can download it and upload it to Claude. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. It was super fast, super practical and hands-on. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. and I see you on the next one.